Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can block automatic downloads on Mozilla Firefox. For example, if you visit websites and you don't want these websites to download items or files automatically on Firefox to your device. So let me show you how you can disable this feature and block these downloads for the future. So what you want to do is open Mozilla Firefox and access your your browser settings. To do that, simply click into these three lines here and click into settings from the drop-down menu. Here guys, head over to privacy and security on the left-hand side. Scroll all the way down till you get, let me just find it, till you get to the security section here. And what you want to do guys is simply make sure that this feature here, block dangerous downloads, as well as this warning, is selected so that Mozilla Firefox blocks downloads entirely guys. So that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.